What is up, everyone? I know that you guys know that I had my ETS Extreme Exhaust that I was waiting to get put on by my tuner, but me and my dad did it last night. This is what it looks like. Let's see if we could get under here and see it. It's pretty much just one long pipe and no mufflers, so you can see. So that pipe goes straight back all the way to the test pipe to the downpipe. I've driven this just for this morning, pretty much, to school and then home. Went for a little ride yesterday just to see how it would sound. So now I'm going to give you a sound test here. Start up. Alright, so this is basically just the idle. So yeah, it's pretty freaking loud, and I can't be doing that a lot because my neighbors will definitely call the cops. So that's what it sounds like. See you guys later.